friends, welcome to the Smoothie Quiz, where you reveal your surprises for fun. Purple and Rainbow Edition. Choosing an exiting gifts, give your 5 seconds and guess the exiting surprises. Before starting the video, make sure hit the subscribe. So, get ready to fun. This one is not easy to choose. Feeling lucky today, chose your best day. Your time is less difficulty challenge. Ready to the next prizes? 3, 2, 1. This challenge decided to poor and rich. Which one catch your eye? Be careful, one of 3 color is a trap. It's not easy. Find the emoji difference. Your time is less difficulty challenge.
Wow!
It's a correct. Your loveliest gift, open the dream plans. Trust your instinct and see your catchy gift. Left mirror or right? Are you feeling lucky today? Choose one gift for yourself and one of your friend. It is your shining gift for you. Which is your favorite color? Once chosen, there is no going back. Will you make the right choice? Time's running up, hurry out. It's not easy. Find the emoji difference. Your time is less difficulty challenge.
Wow, wow!
It's a correct. If a two hearts, if you decide. Did you find the perfect gift? Which color is outstanding? Can you handle this suspense? Don't worry, just follow your height. Your jackpot is open the eyes. I am picking the gold gift this time. Here's about you. It's not easy. Find the emoji difference. Your time is less difficulty challenge.
Wow, wow!
It's a correct. Can you guess which red mode? In the worst. Feeling confident are your choice. What's inside the mystery box? It's tough to choose this style. What gift will receive this time? Choose wisely. Let's move on the next time. What surprise is inside? It's not easy. Find the emoji difference. Your time is less difficulty challenge.
Wow, wow!
It's a correct. Which one catch your eye? Final choice. Pick your favorite color. Very big thankful to fun with me. Next challenge, comment this below. Pick your next challenge. Come with me. Make sure, hit the subscribe.